Hey, good news everyone. Banana balance has been restored to the household. Check it out. Got our bananas. These are today bananas. These are in the next day, and these are later in the week. That's what I call banana balance. Hey, check out this picture of Chris and me. It was a while ago. Anyways, just getting ready for work. It's going to be a great day, a lot to be excited for, a lot to be happy about. Just grateful for each and every day. So I'm going to go out there and get my day, and you do the same. Weekend or a week and find something, because the rental properties are going fast. You know, they're lasting like 2 or 3 days, and they're getting, 5 to 10 parties all wanting to rent the same property. Exactly. Yeah, exactly.
Your pieces are smaller than mine, Chris.
Yeah, I was trying to make smaller ones, see if it would work better, but I got tired of doing it.
Yeah. Feel ya? Oh no! Still there. Oh, you vlogging? Alright.
Yep. No, vlogging, Tyler.
I said
Jeez,
vlogging.
you said blogging.
Put this in here. I'm gonna sit it down. Someone gonna video it?
I am.
Put this what?
I don't.
I have video on
Yeah,
Tyler's
you
phone.
want
Tyler's
me to do
phone's
it?
better.
Video, yeah.
No, you do it.
I don't-
She-
Do it again. I started.
Ping pong balls.
What's that noise?
What? Dude! Mommy, don't breathe it in. Oh, jeez!
Go get it. Go get it.
Hold on. I got it. Hot wax.
I'm gonna get that.
What are you doing?
Taking some pictures to show my client what the house looks like, all staged.
What does staged mean, Dave?
Well, staged means, I don't know. I've got no clue.
This is a house he is selling, and hey there. Sunny day in California. It's like 76 right now. Cool, love it. Spring. This is a house Dad's selling, and he just got it staged because the people have moved out. And so they need to make it look like people live here, or that it looks livable.
So the buyers can visualize what it looks like with furniture and where they would put their beds and things like that.
So it's more appealing to them when they come for the open house. For a nice
Be next
pool.
weekend.
Yay!
Show them the dog.
A nice upstairs.
Fido,
Best friend.
the staging dog. Check this out. Sup, dog?
What's up, dog?
Sup, dog?
Hey, pup.
This actually look good on the dog. So Natalie's gonna open up the secret cubby in this house.
It's
Scared
just
her.
empty. Why would they make it this shape? Why would they make it like bigger so someone can get in there?
Because it's the stairs. They can't make it bigger, silly. That's the stairs.
No, but like, you know what I mean, right?
Oh, like come out to here.
Yeah, like Harry Potter.
Well, because this probably opens up the room more. But yeah, you're right. They could have closed this
You
off.
open up the room more.
Your mom and your bald-headed daddy open up the room. Close it.
I'm trying. See, look.
Push hard. Push the door part.
What did you kill?
That's not a butterfly.
Well, I hope not.
Let her eat it. Actually, don't.
No way. She's not eating that. Oh my gosh, that's huge.
It's one of those like.
Robert, what did you do?
One of those orange bees, Natalie.
Oh my gosh. That's nasty. There's regular sized pebbles. Ew, don't lick my face. Oh! She licked me after destroying it. You're gross, Maverick. You're not going out there, little girl.
It's disgusting.
What are you doing?
Fixing my Aussie car.
Masika.
Yeah.
Can you show me the top of it?
Here, let me see it. Here, show them what's stripped. I stripped the pinion and spur gear. Can you see it?
Mhm.
Pretty bad too. The tops are here. It's a rally car, 114. They don't make them anymore.
Oh, you're so cool.
You can't. You can buy them, not from other retailers, but from them you can. Because they don't sell them anymore. Okay. And see. All right.
Anything else you want to say?
Alright, here's an update on the fixing of my RC car. So far, I've got it all off. I've got everything that I need, and then I have to install this. I have to take this off and put a new one on, and it fits in right there, and then a new pinion gear that goes right there. Got all my screws lined up, and I got the part I needed, but I'm still waiting on a pinion gear. And I've got all the shocks and the wheels off. So yeah, I'll be done once the pinion gear comes in. Alright, so far the RC car rebuild is coming along. Well, it's not really a rebuild, it's a fix. Coming along pretty good. I got this. This is what I stripped. And I also stripped this pinion gear, which is right here. Stripped the tooth on it and the tooth on this, so I have to install that. And then I have the new gear right here. The wheels off. It's pretty good, not too hard. I'll probably be done tomorrow once the pinion gear comes in. But the hardest part is going to be aligning these back onto each other. This and this back onto each other. So yeah. Alright, I'm going to San Luis Obispo, so I got all my stuff packed. Got my RC car, which is not complete, a drone, charger, and my suitcase. Here we go. See you, buddy.
Locked in. Hi.
Yeah.
You didn't have a match?
No, they only had 8 players.
Oh, dang.
Yeah, Josh and Jake didn't get one either.
Who are they?
Some other kids on the tennis team.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, nice little white shoes.
Thank you.
Did mommy get those for you?
No, Daddy.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What do you have, Maverick? Oh my gosh, she has a bird. No! Maverick, drop it. Leave it. Oh my gosh, I don't want to touch it. That's what flew into the window. Oh. No, I'm not letting you in. Drop it. Hey, leave it. She normally responds to these words, and I really wish she was right now. I don't know what to do. I'm not letting her in here with that bird. Oh, frick. Maverick, drop it. Oh, get that out of your mouth. How is it so small to fit in her mouth? Drop it. Drop it. She's probably like, no, it tastes good. Oh. Drop it. I don't know what to do. Oh, she's just gonna stand there with it in her mouth. If I don't let her in. If I walk away. help me.
Right. No, stay there. Hey, hey, hey! Did you drop it? Did you drop it? Oh my gosh. Oh, 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 gross. Oh, Maverick. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, it was a hummingbird. You ate a hummingbird, Maverick? Oh my freaking. Oh, no. Oh, stop it. Stop licking your lips. Oh, get away from me. Oh, gosh. Oh, gosh. Buddy, in. Come. Oh, get away from the bird. Oh, okay. That's the end of that. Okay, you need some water. Okay. All right, drink some water. Yes, drink some water. Drink some water. Maverick, drink some water. Don't get close to me. Oh, stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Oh, stop licking your lips. Poor hummingbird. Maverick, come here. Yum, more water. Okay, she's not listening to me. I'm gonna have to do what I have to do. Get away from me. Get away from me. No, don't lick me. Look, come here, yummy. Yum, water. Ooh, Buddy's doing it. You should do it.